My name is Asa Dupras. I am a sophomore musical theater major. I am in the LOYALS.
Hi, I'm Elena Ring. I am the stage manager for the production of the LOYALS on our new play workshop.
Hi, I'm Mia. I'm co-lighting designer for the LOYALS.
Hi, I'm Lauren Hodgkins, and I'm the other co-lighting designer for the LOYALS.
So the LOYALS is about Peggy Shippen and her husband Benedict Arnold, and how that relationship forms.
Once we get into the actual theater space, it's a lot more about actually building the show and how it's going to look for us through the tech rehearsal process. Theater is a really collaborative experience, and so one of the challenges that I've found of being a lighting designer is that absolutely every aspect of the show is both impacted by lighting and also impacts lighting. And so you have to have really open communication with your collaborators to make sure that you are supporting their vision.
It was amazing to see how the room reflected new ideas and change came to the script, and the script is always changing. That's one thing that's really cool about working on a new play, is that there's always something new and you have to be adaptable. But getting to see Allison and Courtney bounce off of each other and come up with new ideas to push the story along is something that it's almost like magic, I think.
It's a really interesting experience being able to play two different roles that are like extremely different. Lawrence is like this very prim, proper, over-the-top hairdresser, and then Joseph Stansbury is this like Cockney man who is a traitor and a little dirty. And so finding the differences between the two has been really fun and really interesting. And it's been a really good challenge, finding ways to switch back and forth.
I think on this production, it's challenging to always be adaptable. I think that with a new play, change comes fast and you have to adapt to it